Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by stabilizing the piece and gathering tools. This prevents stretching and accidental snips. Use a seam ripper or tiny scissors to expose the shaft where it passes through the fabric. Cut the visible thread only. Once done, tease the fibers apart with a toothpick to reveal the plastic shaft. Make sure to leave surrounding stuffing intact. You do this because removing only the holding thread reduces hole enlargement and keeps the eye centered for easy extraction. You now focus on the backplate. Grip it firmly but gently with needle nose pliers. Push the shaft inward a hair to relieve tension, then pull the backplate outward and away from the fabric. Once it starts to move, alternate inward pressure on the front side and outward pulls on the backplate. This two-sided motion minimizes fabric stress. If it won't budge, pause and cut any remaining securing fibers. Ripping can widen the hole, while controlled motion preserves the material. You finish by twisting the shaft while pulling it free. Twisting reduces friction and helps the plastic slide out without snagging. Check the hole for plastic burrs or small shards and remove them with tweezers to avoid future wear. Once clear, close the gap. Use a few tight whip stitches or a dab of fabric glue inside the opening. Make sure to work from the interior side when possible. If the fabric tears, patch from the inside with scrap fabric to restore strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.